clause, all the details in the document. But I did mention that at least those who enter into the transaction should highlight, okay, what are the clause or what are the conditions, whatever implication, okay, that normally people will go into dispute on. Okay, because I believe that morally, yes, okay, it is morally, but I will not say that it is come under the purview of Mubarak, okay, because by virtue of signing the contract, the customer should try to should understand the details about the transaction. Okay, so I don't think so that you can say that it is Gharar. Gharar, I mean, if something which is hidden, okay, it is not there, it is not being told, but it is there. You see, perhaps people might not understand it, so perhaps, I mean, the customer should take extra effort, okay, in trying to understand it or trying to get, and the moral obligation, as mentioned, okay, by the institution, I mean, they should try to inform the bank about, I mean, what it is all about. Okay, I think the same thing applicably they can just comment, you see, on another slightly different issue, okay, related to this, I mean, the obligation, okay, the obligation inside of the institution. When an Islamic product is being offered, okay, the customer is not being briefed about what the product is all about. Okay, if you enter, let's say, into a mudarabah contract, when you enter into a musyarakah contract, okay, because as a layman, people does not know. They just hear about musyarakah, mudarabah, maybe some friend recommend, why don't you enter into, okay, this deal with certain institution, I mean, why don't you buy this product, blah, blah. See, they might have heard from somebody, they go to the bank, okay, telling the bank that, I want this product, so the bank will just give them the document, okay, you sign here, you sign here, you sign here, without knowing what is the detail. See, so I always emphasize the need, okay, for those people who are involved in selling the product to know what the product is all about. I think this is one of the areas in which we are lacking nowadays. Okay, sometimes the Shariah advisor, you see, decide on certain things, but when it goes down, okay, there is no auditing, there is no proper auditing, so even sometimes when the product is being sold to the market, it is not really according to what has been decided. So I think this is among the things that we need to work on it. You see, and I'm happy that, I mean, with the new regulation of the bank negara, I think, I mean, there are some hope, I mean, towards this, I mean, trying to audit, okay, the Sharia product. So we hope that with the existence of full-time Sharia Muraqib Shari, what they call in the banks, okay, this thing can be done by the Muraqib Shari. Okay, I mean, they can do the auditing and make sure that whatever is being offered really comply, because there are some cases product has been sold for years, then it comes back to the Sharia advisor. Okay, it comes back to the Sharia advisor, then you see that as well, I mean, this document does not comply with the requirement. I mean, it does not comply with what has been discussed in the past. This do happen, right? So I think, again, on the other side, this issue also was discussed, I think, in the last Sharia Scholars Dialogue. You see that, I mean, the Sharia advisor need to look into the end document, meaning that once the document has been done by the bank, then it should be brought back to the Sharia advisor, so they have to go through and make sure that it really complies with what has been decided. I think this is important. I'm not blaming anyone. Okay, but I think it is a collective responsibility. Okay, I think everyone, we need to do our part. Okay, we need to do our part in order to make sure that, I mean, things is done according to the right way. Because you see, not only, I mean, we should bear in mind that our obligation is not only here in this world. Okay, we are also responsible in front of Allah. Okay, I mean, that is the things that we need to worry about it. Okay, because I mean, if something wrong is being done, okay, because some people, I mean, they're just concerned about if legally it is okay, okay, but they don't really go into detail. I mean, try to look into all these different products and to make sure that it really complies with the requirement of Shariah. Okay, coming back to the question of the about the product in the market, about what is being said by those in the industry and also by the Shariah scholar. I would put it this way. The first one is that we are working within the framework of the conventional system. Okay, so perhaps when you talk about product, I think with the limitation. In fact, yesterday, when we had this talk on Islamic banking by the economics, I think the same issue is being raised. Okay, in which it seems that in the industry, Islamic banking industry, there are only very limited kind of contract that can be, and we are repeating the same contract in different kind of product that is being offered. Okay, and you mentioned about the pre-buy. Okay, so perhaps that is the first thing. So there are constraints. Okay, because I think those who are in the industry, they are thinking, okay, in the way of the conventional people are thinking. Okay, which not necessarily it suits the context or the need of Sharia. So sometimes we might need what we call as paradigm shift. Okay, in this issue, I've talked to some bankers. I think when we talk to them, they can understand. Okay, they can understand. The objective of Sharia. As I mentioned earlier, some people, they just think about profit. Okay, they just think about how to make money. But that is not our way in when we talk about Islamic banking. Okay, it is not it's not the purpose. The very purpose is not only to make money. Okay, but we have some other objective, some other consideration that we have to take that into account as well. Okay, so this is the thing, and also I think on the part of the Sharia advisor, perhaps we need to do more, maybe, and to be more creative. Okay, in trying to come up with new instrument and also a new concept, perhaps, okay, which might take time, okay, for us to develop. So I would say creativity is also important. Okay, we are working within the framework of the conventional system, and bearing in mind that the industry of Islamic banking is new. Okay, so I think at this infancy level, yes, there are hindrances, there are obstacles there. Okay, what is important is that I think we should try to come together and try to work together, and hopefully, in the future we can have more products and also more creativity. Okay, in giving the product of Islam. I think I will stop there.
There are no more questions. The Institute would like to thank Dr. Mohamad Akram for giving us a very beneficial, very enlightening talk. As a token of appreciation, we would like to call upon the Institute's Director, Associate Professor Dr. Ibrahim, to present Dr. Mohamad Akram with a small gift. Big appreciation and thanks to all those who have attended today's session, and also a big thank you to the panel of discussants, Dr. Usul and Dr. Zaiman. I guess that's the end of the session for today. We look forward to seeing all of you again in our next series of discussion, inshallah. And we can end today with the recitation of Surah Al-Asr. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamu alaikum.